Can you hear me? Oh, thank God. Yeah, this is, yet again, another thing that we have wanted, that we've been waiting for. I got a package here, and it is the Blend Bunny X Lins X Glisten. What is the order, actually? I don't know if the order matters, but this is the Blend Bunny and Glisten Cosmetics and Lins. Linsmakeuplooks is someone that I feel like, and if I might just, if I may just say this first to start off the video, is someone I'm really rooting for. I'm not gonna lie. Someone that, like, when this was announced, I was like, you know what? Let's go, bestie! So before I get into everything, let me first say hi, hello, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, writer, streamer, makeup artist, and I've been working with beauty and in makeup for quite some time. All of the resume stuff aside, I'm so glad that you're here, and thank you so much for joining me. If you like long-form content, you like makeup stuff, feel free to hang out, subscribe, come chill with me. If you don't like makeup and you just kind of want to vibe as well, you're still welcome here. But if you hate makeup actively and you're weird about it, please go seek help and therapy. If you're returning, hey bestie, hey! I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this today. As always, Blend Bunny packages kind of feel like Christmas, but this feels like a triple whammy. I love Glisten Cosmetics too. I have used a lot of their bases and their liquid liner, or their wet liner, I should say. I'm so excited to finally sit down with this. I was away for the weekend and I knew that this was gonna be coming, and I'm stoked, dude. So let's get into it without further ado. It's so cute. It's so cute already. Oh my gosh. No. Look how cute. This is so cute, dude. Dude. Oh, I am obsessed with Blend Bunny brushes, so this makes me so happy. Probably will want to get backups of that, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, the juicy lip tint. Wait, this is so cool. I was actually just talking to Linz about this because I have one from a Glisten bundle that I got a long time ago, and I just haven't opened it yet. Like, I was just kind of savoring it, so I'm gonna use this today. Linz, I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna hoard it like a dragon with treasure. I talked to Linz as if Linz is watching this, but also we're mutuals, and also we've been in each other's lives. Lives, not lives. Well, I guess now you could say we're in each other's lives. Oh. Okay, all right. Dude, this is so cool. Okay, all right. We gotta lock in. I gotta stay focused. This is just like, this is a win-win-win. Bro, dude, this is genius. This is genius. Okay, this is the Blend Bunny side. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Ding. That's not in here, but wow. I was listening to Linz talk about the shade names, and I quite enjoy a little bit of a lore drop. I think it feels like kind of silly and fun, but at the same time, it's very like heartfelt, and I recommend you go and watching that. Please do yourself a favor. And this is the Glisten side. This is so cool. I really don't want to rip the packaging. I hate when I accidentally rip the packaging. Now, the moment that I've been waiting for. Don't judge my nails. Some of them have broken. They will grow back. Only Paolo can take this and give you a princess. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, that is so cool. Oh. Okay, I haven't even opened the Glisten side yet. Okay. Yup. I love that the white one is extra large, like in the middle. That is really cool. Okay, let's get into it. Yeah. Wow, dude. Oh, no! I dug my nail into it. Crap. Okay, accidentally dug my nail into it. No big deal, but it's not perfect anymore. So when I show you this, know that was me and this nail. Oops. So here is the Glisten side. Now these are wet liners, so they're water activated. Cute. Very freaking cute, dude. I love this so very much. Each side also has a mirror, and I want to take note of that because not only is that money, but that's also important to have in a palette if you're taking it with you, if you're traveling, so on and so forth. Did I show this one close up? I don't know, but here's the Blend Bunny side as well. So here is a look at the Blend Bunny side of these shadows. Very cute, like very colorful, but I like that there's some dark shades. There's a couple darker shades, I should say. Definitely gonna be using Slay, okay? Absolutely will be using these brushes, no questions asked. And I know myself, I will probably get a backup of these brushes because I love Blend Bunny brushes. And these are just cute. And they're like kind of rainbow vibes, which I love. And I'm just excited. So cute. Ooh. The LO one, I'm very interested in. It's like kind of a pencil brush, but I'm gonna like this for the lower lash line, I would bet. I love the B2, B3s of like Blend Bunnies, so these just kind of speak to me in a very lovely way. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the shade 23 because it is the white shade in the palette. I'm gonna use, again, all of these brushes in the set. I'm gonna kind of set up here on my brow bone. To start, I'm just gonna kind of lay down a little bit of a border. I don't know how to explain my thoughts, but here we go. Yeah, that's a freaking good white eyeshadow. Now, I like a little bit, Lens is incredibly creative and I love Lens's looks. Ours are incredibly different, which I really do enjoy. And I like the fact that, like, I don't know, makeup people can enjoy other makeup people things without being weird. Am I making sense? Not sure. Anyway, I must actually take Lily. Is it Lily or Lili? Lily or Lili? Or Lily? I don't know. Not sure. I literally watched that video and it's gone from my brain, but this like dark teal, dude, I'm obsessed with shades like this. And I'm just gonna tap it on. Oh, whoa, dude. Dude. Lens, this teal. Oh, holy crap, dude. I'm unwell. I'm just gonna kind of pat it and then blend the edges. Trust the process. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this eye to the best of my ability. Whoa! Yup. I'm gonna take Nail Day and kind of buff into like the crease and the edge. Lightly kind of pat down. Ooh, but I want to take that higher. I need a fluffier, bigger brush really quickly. The B5. Yeah, dude. Yup. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I love that. I love that color so much. I'm gonna take it a little bit higher. Yeah. I'm not gonna be shocked. Like, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you. I love Blend Bunny's quality. They are second to none for shadows. I absolutely love their palettes. You've heard me talk about it a million times, you know. And because I'm curious, I'm gonna take the shade Nobody and I'm gonna also put that in the crease because I wanna see what that does to this color right in here. Ooh, yeah. Yup. And actually taking Nobody first to blend out that Lily shade. Ooh, taking more of a Lily or Lili, whatever it is. I should double check like while I'm filming this, but maybe it'll be a nice surprise at the end. Woo! I'm getting a little out of control because I know I'm getting some shadow underneath there. Totally fine, dude. We're doing a grungy kind of colorful look. Is that gonna be shocking? Probably not. I kind of want to keep this blue because I like the vibes. I like the vibes of this a lot. I'm gonna take again that Lili shade. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. I love that teal so much. This makes me so happy. Blend Bunny makes some of my favorite teals of all time, period. And this is quite nice. I'm gonna go in only with Nobody this time. Whoa! I never do my eyes second, and this is why, because I just get a little out of control, you know? Like, chill out, please. I'm getting blue everywhere. Oh! Now, I must slay. Okay. Again, do I expect anything less? No, but I'm excited to see that. Let me just put a little bit like right in here. Ooh. Okay, let me put this up a little higher. Just do like the straight up thing that I like to do. Ooh. Oh, okay. All right. This over that black shade too. This is the thing that I like. And I'll pause and say this because I say this a lot when I'm using like products that give me this feeling. When I'm using a palette like this or a collection like this rather, if I'm already getting excited about what I want to do next, ooh. Yeah. Okay, so that was like a really light application of that because I'll be honest with you, I really want the darkness of those shadows to kind of pop through. If you want to build this up, I'm so sure that you can. Just given the texture and again, using Blend Bunny for as long as I have and knowing the quality, dude, these go crazy. God, that feels so soft. Ooh. I love this, dude. I love this. Now, I'm going to combine a couple of other things because I want to use these liners so very badly. I do have the Pride flag from Glisten, which Glisten, thank you so much for doing that. I love that palette and hey, I see you. So I bought that without question. Again, I love those bases, Glisten, just mwah. But I'm so excited to have like a palette of water activated liners like this. That's crazy. To be able to mix them together and just like do all the, I'm very excited. I'm gonna use these Lindsay brushes. My God, this is so cute, dude. Like the little smiley faces, the little sparkles. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm gonna take probably the yellow one to start. How do I get this out of this? Hello? I have my little water that sits on my desk, and this is what I use to activate like anything, or if I just need like a little bit of water, a little bit of bloop. I'm just gonna pick it up on my brush and kind of mix it into the white shade in the center. I don't use a lot of white liner, and honestly, this is giving me a little bit of a kind of an excuse, but also inspiration to use it more because it's amongst other shades as well. Like I can kind of mix something in, make it lighter, whatever, but I do want to use this. And I make my liners, like any water activated liner, cake liner, wet liner, what have you, I turn it into more of a paste. I don't want it to be super see-through, or basically I just like it to be a little bit more opaque. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. And I think for this, I'm just gonna give it a swoop, but maybe I need to be very close to my face though, I fear. Hold on. Okay, it was a little bit of a thicker line than I maybe anticipated. Do I like it? Yes. Am I gonna get used to it? Probably. That's a pretty good white liner though. I maybe made the line a little too thick, but I could have used a different brush. That's on me. Siblings, not twins. Siblings, not twins. You know, this gives me a reason to keep practicing with white liner, honestly. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do my spikes. I'm gonna use the Swoop, which is the black shade. I'm so excited for this. I love doing spikes. That's kind of one of, I don't want to call it like a signature thing, because is it really your signature thing if you call it your signature thing? I don't know. Or maybe I should do a navy spike. The cringe spike. No, I want to do black. Well, no. Okay. We're pivoting. I'm gonna use this black for my wing. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Wow. Oh, I love that. Swoop for a wing, dude? Kinda slays. Kinda freaking slays. Yeah, dude. Because I'm curious, I'm gonna take the cringe shade and do my spikes, but I have to get a little bit closer to my face, so hold on. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up this look as fast as possible because it is looking so good. I'm really liking, I kind of like how that texture is. I feel like for my spikes, I'm gonna like a little bit of a thinner texture than a thicker texture, which you just add like a drop more of water, and then it was so much easier. So I did kind of layer it on a little bit, but I really freaking like it. Obsessed with how that white shadow is still kind of looking up on my brow bone, and then of course it's like highlighted now. I love this eye look. But the lip, this is one of my favorite lip tints, period. This is the Blackberry Glisten Cosmetics lip tint. Obviously, you see how cute this packaging is. I love this. I love this so much. This is a peach one, which I'm kind of excited about. Can I open this? This is so adorable, dude. This is so cute. I love that it says Lynn's Juicy Tint. That's so cute. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it on the center of my lips because I think I'm gonna do an ombre kind of thing like I usually do. This is so cool, dude. Like, Lynn's, I really hope that you're proud of yourself for this collection because this is so you and it's just so wonderful. Already, anyway. Oh, kind of smells perfumey, but a little bit fruity. What is that scent? It smells like a really nice floral soap. And I mean that in the nicest way that I can say, because I feel like sometimes people are gonna be like, that smells like soap. That's nice. So like right in here. Ooh. The texture on these, dude, is so nice. I know that I love these, again, because I didn't open the other one that Lynn's had a bundle with. I will use that eventually, but I do know I like the formula of these quite a lot. Now you can layer these to get more intensity, but I'm just gonna kind of smush my lips together like that. Then I'm gonna do my little lip line. My lips are so chapped, ignore it. Ooh, that looks really cool. That looks really cool. I'm gonna add a little bit of balm on top just to cool it down a touch. Ooh. Yeah, this is exactly how I would wear this. You see that little like peek through of that peach? I really like that. And I always try to show you like how I would wear things in a collection, because typically I might wear it a little bit grungier, maybe a little bit darker, maybe a little bit more alternative. But I think it just goes to show is that you can have this kind of like bright, really fun, like kind of playful collection and get something like this. You can also do a million other looks. Yeah, but I have to say, like, all of this, the brushes, the two brush sets, the 2 palettes, the lip, like this is very, very well done. I think across the board with Glisten, with Blend Bunny, and with Lins, like it just feels like it makes a lot of sense. I think we can all agree on that, probably. If not, this is so fun. It is so brilliant. That's okay. Yeah. Ugh, I almost dropped it. I am a big fan of all of this. Again, I don't think anyone is going to be shocked. All of the parties involved, I'm just extremely happy for. This just feels like it just was knocked out of the park on every avenue. Blend Bunny, I love you so much. Maggie, I just adore you. You know that. I know that. Glisten, thank you so much for reaching out and being so kind and also being so lovely to me. You can use Courtney with Blend Bunny and Glisten now, which I feel absolutely honored about. I appreciate it so, so much. They're just like the respect as a creator. It's just my heart. But I did just kind of want to take a minute to congratulate Lins. But Lins is someone that I feel like is a really good person. Again, I am a stranger on the internet. However, I feel like there's just this kind of vibe, not just because the collaboration with brands that I love, but there's something else. There's kind of an undertone of a, like, I am really, really, really rooting for Lins. This is a really weird job to have. And like the makeup and beauty world is incredibly competitive and can be very weird. But I feel like I have experienced only wonderful things from Lins and just being like silly and fun and kind and sweet. I love Lins' content. It's hilarious. It's fun. It's really real too. There's just like another undertone of like genuineness. And I feel like that's just something I really appreciate. I don't know. Lins, congratulations. This is really, really well done. It's beautiful. I love all the names. I love all the lore behind it. But thank you so much for your artistry and for continuing to create and making things, and just thank you for continuing to continue on. Thank you so much for all the time and effort you put into making the content that you do. If I can say personally from this side, it's a joy to watch. It's a joy to be a part of. It is absolutely an honor to receive your collection with these 2 brands. I wish you all the best. I can't wait to see what you do next, but I really, really hope that you are proud of all of this right now, because this is really, really cool. Anyway, I think that's all I need to say before I get too sappy. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Kind of feel like crying. This is just so cute. Wait! Wait! Yeah, now the look is complete. And done.